Hey everybody, so we're going to replace the engine air filter on our Hyundai Elantra here. It's super simple. Here's the air filter, the housing where it goes right here. All we got to do is take these two little clips off. So pull back that one. Then we have one back here. Pop that off. There's two more attachment points back here, but as you can see, those slide out as such. Then we can lift this up and pull our air filter out. You can see when we pulled it out, the pleating is on the bottom, so your dirty air enters in from this side. You can see it's dirty there, and our clean air comes out this side. So go ahead and grab our new one here, and we'll put it in the same way. Pleats on the bottom, and you want to make sure we got this thing in there securely, just like so. So you don't want any lip or any gap in the seam here. It should be a nice clean seal. And we'll go ahead and fit our cover back on like so. Get these two attachment points in. And then we'll just hook up these here. Like so. And we are all done. Super simple. Thanks for watching, guys.